Hi, good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the different areas to write and run Python programs. So, in general, we have the different kind of options to write Python program and where we can able to execute that one. Python REPL tool, IDEs is there. Notepad we can use Notepad plus plus or Edit plus also we can use, or command prompt we can use, or we can go for the some IDEs, integrate development environment tools are available. Pycharm, Eclipse, Spyder, Komodo IDE, like this we have. You can use either one here. But one by one I will show it is. But which one is more preferable one is Pycharm editor. These IDEs are more powerful compared to the other things. Now first one IDLE. It is a Python REPL tool. So REPL means here read, evaluate, print, loop it. Read, one line to read. It will check is there any syntax error, print. And again, next step, again read, check, print. Like this step by step, these three operations going to read, evaluate, print. Next step, again read, evaluate, print. Next step, that is a loop we are going to say. That means the same steps are not going to execute multiple times. Step by step, same operation going to do. Read, evaluate, print. These three operations going to do. But how to is separate to we have to install it is or not? No need to install this one separately. By default, which will be installed whenever you install the Python. So see that while Python installation time installed window itself going to says to include IDLE along with the people saying this will also go to includes to you. Right. So how to open it and how to write the program. The SIMA here. Go to all programs. There is a IDLE Python is there. Just go for this. This is the Python shell window is opened. So you can write program here. Simple example I'm taking. One variable I want to assign the value x equal to 10. I want to print it is go for print of x. Click on enter. The value will be displayed to you. Like step by step. One or two steps to check syntax errors. You can go for this one. All programs, select ideally, write Python program, click on enter to run. Next one, Notepad or Notepad plus plus or Edit plus. So this all things similar way it is. Using any one of these applications, also we can able to write and run Python programs. So I will show this one with a Notepad. But whenever we go for Notepad, you write Python program. But Python program, once you return, you have to save that file. What is the extension for that? .py extension you have to give. Okay. Now the Notepad I'm going to use. So here I'm going to write the small program. I will write here. This program I written here to read my user input. My input has to read x equal to input function is input here. This message has to display to ask the my value, enter some number. Whatever number I enter by default it has to consider as an integer. That's the reason int I said, data type I said. Then I give the one for loop. Indentation is important here, so you have the space you have to maintain. There is no brackets here. Just based on the indentation, it going to knows that it is the next block of steps are there in the loop. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to save this file. Save as. So when I'm going to save the file here, so try to save this one. So I'm going to save this one the D drive by giving the name as sample program dot py, but try to give within double quotes this file name along with extension to avoid other extension for this file. Otherwise some OS may take .txt extension after .py. To avoid that you can go for like this, save the file. Now how to run this one after writing this one and save the file? You can go to the command prompt, and you can give the Python file name. You can give it is, click on enter. So let me go to that command prompt here, Python. First I need to move to the where the file is, the C drive HP folder showing that. So let me show it's Python. So sample program dot py, if I give, if I run, what is, I not open the file. File is not there in this folder, no. So you have to go to the your drive, it is where it is there in D drive. Now you can write it is Python. So sample program dot py, run. It is asking, now it is executed because file is available. Enter some number, 5 I given. For run it is 5 times, it is executed for us. So instead of giving the Python here, you can go for the just py also. You can give py file name sample program dot py. If I run, enter some number, 3 I given, 3 times hello 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 is going to display to you like this. Okay, this way through Notepad also. But when you go for Notepad, what is the disadvantage? You can't find the syntax error while writing the program there. Next one, directly I want to run my Python program, and also I want to write in the at command prompt. How we can go for that? Sometimes we can also execute from command prompt. So open command prompt window, write command Python or py and click on enter. So we will going to get the Python shell window section is going to opens to you. So there you can go for the Python program and you can execute it. Let me show it is. I'm going to open the command prompt here. You can't write directly here Python program. You need to enter into the Python shell section. How to enter the Python shell section? Make sure Python should be installed in your system. When you go for like this, installed and Python environment, Python path we have to give on to the environment variable. Then only it is possible. Python. Now we got the section x equal to 10. I am going to give. Then print of x. I'm going to give. Click on enter. Value is displayed. Now I want to exit this Python shell. How we can go for that? So Control Z you can use. Enter. So we terminated. We came into the command prompt again. It is. So again, instead of Python, in simple py also you can give. Again, go into the Python shell window. Now, or you can go for the command like exit bracket. You have to give. This is for the Python shell. If it is just this command prompt you want to close, you can go for the exit. It will close it is. Right. Now, compared to this all three options, the best one is IDEs, which are more powerful editors to write Python programs. Different things are there: Pycharm, Komodo IDE, Vim, Bluefish for Mac, Eclipse, Python developers purpose. We have these things, but most of the companies are going to prefer for Python programming purpose. Pycharm they are going to prefer. So I already explained to you how to get this one. Go to the Google, download Pycharm, Python ID to learn. Download this one. Okay, you are going to get the Pycharm editor. Open it. Just you have to run it. Install that one. Once you got the file, so you are going to get this one. Okay. Now you can go to the first to create the project here. New project. So after creating the new project, I create, give the project location where you want to save. then select that project, then go to file, go to the new here. So Python file you select, enter the file name, click on OK, and write the program here. X equal to input whatever program you are not yet discussed about the anything, how to write one statement also in Python. Just I'm showing to you different places where we can able to write Python programs and we can able to run it is. Okay, just I written some program here, so I'm going to run it is. Right click, so run is there. So I'll enter some number, go for the number 5 I given, click on enter, display like this. Okay, so in general, Pycharm address is more convenient and more preferable compared to the other options. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. So bye.